Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi switch is on. Once done, restart the router and your PC to clear transient errors. This often restores connectivity quickly. While the devices reboot, confirm the exact SSID and password, and sign in with an account that has admin rights. These actions remove simple causes and let you proceed to targeted fixes without wasting time on setup details. Next, run the built-in network troubleshooter. It diagnoses common problems and suggests fixes. If that fails, perform a network reset or open command, prompt as admin and run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew, and ipconfig/flushtons to refresh addresses and caches. Then open Device Manager, expand network adapters, and update or roll back the Wi-Fi driver. Make sure to use the manufacturer driver if available. Finally, forget the network on your PC and reconnect, typing the password exactly to rule out credential errors. Then inspect router settings. Ensure DHCP is enabled, MAC filtering isn't blocking your device, and try switching between 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for compatibility. If drivers still cause trouble, use System Restore to a working point or run Windows Update to fetch fixes. If nothing works, a quick tip: test with a USB Wi-Fi adapter to isolate hardware versus software problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.